stopping by my channel. Today I'm going to do a review on this handheld grip. And I just got it today, so I haven't opened it yet. I just took the tape off. So recently I've been getting into the paranormal investigations, and I just needed something for my camera in my phone. Right now I'm just using this cheap camcorder. It's not the greatest. I've been having problems with it stopping the recordings when I'm trying to investigate, because with my last trip I went on, I didn't get to catch that much, which was pretty disappointing. But I'm gonna have to work on that a little bit. So I should have opened this. So it comes in package, which is really nice. This box is a little damaged, which I was kind of disappointed about. Let's see. Put that right there. So first of all, we got that must be the grip, which isn't bad. Oh, you have like a whole bunch of accessories. I didn't know that, actually. It didn't even show on the picture. I did get this off of Amazon. It was around $34. You actually have a handheld grip, which is actually really nice. I like that. I believe this is probably for a GoPro. Yeah, I think it has to be for a GoPro. I don't have one of those, so I don't really know. Instructions. What is that for? Oh no, my thing came off. Sorry, guys. So I believe this is for... What is this for? I don't really know what that one's for. I mean, it must be for the, Oh, okay, yeah. That makes sense. Don't mind me. I take a little bit to figure stuff out. Alright, so that was the instructions for that. This is the part that I really wanted. Let's see, there's something else in there. I don't know what that goes for. We'll find out soon. This is the part that I really wanted the most. I'm sorry you can't see it. This part right here, because you can actually hold it. Then I think it can be like more stable that way, which I really want. You can also hook it on here as well, which I can't do right now. So yeah, that's pretty much. Let me get that out of the way. I'm sorry, I only have a small desk, so I can't really put much on here. I was hoping, oh, never mind, you can put your phone here, which is what I wanted. Put your phone in, so you can, I'm a Twitch streamer, so the more I'm doing investigations for the paranormal, I want to start streaming it more. So that will be good, because I can have this on and then have my camera in front, hopefully. Which I'm hoping. And this, I don't think I can really use it with, that'll be way too heavy. So I'll have to find something for this one. More likely just gonna put it on here. Is that even going to fit? Huh. I have to play more around with that. But it's nice because I can put my microphone up on here. Let's see. Man, I am struggling today. Holy cow. Why are you not going in? Well, I was putting it in wrong. Put my mic there, or I'm actually having another package come in on Wednesday. So, and it's an IR light. So I might put that up there, which will be nice. So that will be pretty cool. I just wish there was like another one of these that I could put my mic and my light on when I get that. With this part, I just need to... Does it not go up any further? That's pretty low. Like, do you guys see that? Like, how are you supposed to get anything on there? Unless I'm doing it wrong. There we go. You just have to screw it. What would be the best way to do this? Does it... You're supposed to be able to put this in here. There's no instructions whatsoever. So I guess I'm just gonna have to figure this all on my own. There is a clip thing. I don't know. I'll have to figure that part out. It's kind of a bummer that there were no instructions. See if I always like turn these wrong. I don't understand why, but see if my microphone... Come on. You got this. You got this. That gives it plenty of room to hook down on here. This isn't bad. I mean, it's pretty sturdy. I mean, it's loud because I have one screw that's loose, but I'm gonna try and put this on and see if I can get that going. But other than that, like, yeah, it's made out of plastic, but I think it'll be pretty good. I mean, it's not like I'm going out and doing crazy stuff. I'm just going to be doing investigations. I don't know what this is. I'm going to have to look more up online. I know that this has to be for a GoPro. Has to be. But yeah, you know, if any of you are interested in getting one of these, I would recommend it. I will do an update on how this is, but it won't be until September because that's my next investigation. So I will do a video on that. And Wednesday I have another package coming in, so I will be doing a review on that as well. But yeah, if you're interested in this brand, it's on Amazon. I got it for $34. And yeah, so I'm sorry this isn't a really good review. I'm still new at YouTube. I am trying my best, but you know, I will get there eventually. And one thing also, if you guys know anything about this camera, I did get this off of Amazon as well a while back ago. And the one thing I have a problem with is it constantly stops recording. I do not know how to fix that. So if any of you know how to make that stop, if you could write it down in the comments, I would really appreciate it. Yeah, I have to charge this. But yeah, if you guys know any tricks or anything to keep this going, just let me know, and I would really appreciate that. I've been trying to look all over YouTube, but I can't really find anything unless I'm not really looking that well. But yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this review. I hope you guys have a great day, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye!